Hello students, I am Bhim, math teacher. Today we are going to discuss Binomial Theorem from 11th class, part 2. So here, first question is, if n is a positive integer, then the number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. Let us take a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, in the expansion of a plus b whole square, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So, here exponent is 2. Okay, so 2 plus 1 terms will be there. How many are there? 2 plus 1 are there. Similarly, in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, so n plus 1 terms will be there. Okay, here 2 is there now. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3 terms are there, right? So answer is n plus 1. Now second question. In any binomial expansion, the number of terms is, for example, a plus b whole power 1. An algebraic expression containing 2 terms is called binomial. You know that. So, in the expansion of a plus b whole power 1, how many terms will be there? There are 2 terms, 1 and 2. Similarly, a plus b whole square, how many are there? 3 terms are there. Okay. In the expansion of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So, there are 4 terms. Similarly, in the expansion of a plus b whole power n, how many terms will be there? Here minimum is 2. Okay. So, the number of terms in any binomial expansion, so minimum 2 terms will be there. So there are greater than or equal to 2. In a Pascal triangle, each row begins and ends with. So draw Pascal triangles clearly. So here I draw one triangle and write ones on either sides of the triangle. So add 1 plus 1, add these 2 ones. So 1 plus 1, write result right here at the vertices, third vertices. Okay, write again ones on either sides of 2. Let us complete Pascal triangles. Now again 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. So once again increase the number of ones on either sides. Now the sum of 1 and 3 right at third vertex of triangle, that is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I continue this process. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. So continue this process. 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 10, 15. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 5, 15. And 5 plus 1, 6. See, 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 10, 15. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, you will continue this process. Yes, 1 plus 6 is 7, 6 plus 15, 21, 15 plus 20, 35, 20 plus 15, 35, 15 plus 6, 21, 6 plus 1, 7. We will continue this process. Okay, in this Pascal triangles, what are these called? These are called coefficients of expansion of binomial. Okay, see, in this first row, a plus b whole power 0. In the second row, a plus b whole power 1. In third row, a plus b whole square. In the fourth row, a plus b whole cube. These are the coefficients. Okay, we know that the cube of a plus b, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let us see, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. See here, coefficients 1, this is the 1, and 3, so this is the 3, and one more 3, and finally 1. Okay, we can say the coefficients of binomial expansion by using Pascal triangles. Here question is in a Pascal triangle, each row begins and ends with, let us see, 1. Starts from 1, ends with 1. Each row, it ends with 2, starts with 1 and ends with 1. Let us see. Right? Fourth question. The first term and the last term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. In the expansion of x plus a whole power n, how many terms will be there? N plus 1 terms will be there, we know that. What are they? Let us see. So, in the expansion, first you start from nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2, so plus and so on, plus ncr. R means number of terms n plus 1 are there. So r also a, suppose 10th or 11th or 12th, whatever it may be. If r is equal to 20, so this is 21st term. Okay. So finally a plus and so on, nc n, okay, ends with ncn. So first x power n, right? First x power n, next x power n minus 1, in decreasing order, x will be decreased, x power n minus 2, so and so on, x power n minus r. So finally x power n minus n. N minus n means 0. So similarly, a starts from 0. It will be in increasing order. A power 1. This is a square. Okay, and so on. A power r. So finally, it will be increased. So it ends with a power n. Okay, so if you observe here, nc0 value 1 into x power n, a power 0 value also 1, we know that. So nc0 value how becomes 1? So to find this nc0, we have to know formula for ncr. ncr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So here nc0 now, nc0, n means n only, r means 0, n factorial by n minus 0, n minus r, n minus 0, n factorial. R factorial means 0 factorial. 0 factorial also 1, you know that. So n factorial cancel. Okay, so this is 1, right? You can write here 1, that's right, plus nc1 value, similarly you can find, that is n into x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 value also you can find like this. So plus and so on. What is the last term here? plus NCN value also. NCN value also we know that is also 1 only by using this formula. So 1 into x power 0 into a power n. So we need to find here first term and the last term. So first term is x power n and the last term is x power 0 value 1. So last term is a power n. So right here first term is x power n, last term is a power n. So next question, fifth question. The expansion of x plus 1 whole cube by using binomial expansion we can do it. Otherwise we know the formula, no? A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus and b cube. Okay. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. So x plus 1 whole cube equal to x cube plus 3 into x square into 1 plus 3 into x into 1 square plus 1 cube. So this is finally x cube plus 3x square plus 3x into 1 square 3x plus 1. This is the expansion of x plus 1 whole cube. So we know that here the coefficients 1, 3, 3, 1. So without expanding by using Pascal triangles we can find the coefficients of expansion of x plus 1 whole cube, you know that. So what is the general term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n? Yes, clearly we know that this is the general term of expansion of x plus a whole power n. So general term can be represented by TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. Okay. Eighth question. Which term is the middle term in the expansion of a plus b whole power n if n is even and n is odd? Suppose we have 5 fingers. So in these 5 fingers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, third one is the middle term, middle finger, you know that. So here in the binomial expansion how many terms will be there? N plus 1 terms will be there. Okay. Here, if n is even, to find the middle term, if a plus b whole square, how many terms will be there? 3 are there. Okay. So, middle term will be second one, you know that. 1, 2, 3 means second one. Okay, number of terms, if n value is less, we can say, by counting we can say. If n is equal to 100, then it is difficult to say. That's why better to remember small formula. If n is even, number of terms is n plus 2 by 2. Where n is positive integer. If n is even, suppose if n is 10, so 10 plus 2 by 2. So then middle term is 6th. So T6th is the middle term then. Okay. If n is 10. If n is 2, we know that 3 terms are there. Second one is middle term now. So better to substitute 2 here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by 2, 2 only. So 2 is the middle term. Clearly we know that. So here answer is n plus 2 by 2th term. Okay. So T of n plus 2 by 2. It means if n is odd, suppose a plus b whole cube. How many terms are there? 4 terms will be there. What are they? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. How many middle terms are there? 2 will be there. Why? Because if n is odd, 2 middle terms will be there. Okay. What are they? Second one and third one. So n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2. These are the terms. Suppose substitute here 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means T2. Okay? T2, second one. And 3 plus 3, 6 by 2. Substitute here 3. 3 plus 3, 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means 3. So second one and third one are the middle terms here. T2 and T3. Okay? By using this formula we can find the middle terms in the expansion of a plus b whole power n where n is odd. So n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2 terms are there, middle terms. Okay? And next question. Which term is the middle term in the expansion of a plus b whole power 5? Yes, by using this formula, because here power is 5, it is odd number. In the expansion of a plus b whole power 5, where n is equal to 5, this is odd. If n is odd, what is the formula? N plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2. So, T of n plus 1 by 2 and T of n plus 3 by 2 terms are middle terms. We know that actually 5 here power is 5, so 6 terms will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are the middle terms will be here? First one close, sixth one close. Second one close, fifth one close. Means 3 and 4. Third, fourth are middle terms. We know that. Let us check. Put n is equal to 5 here. So T of 5 plus 1 by 2, this is equal to 6 by 2. It means T3. If you substitute here 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2. So this is 4. T3 after T4 only we get. Right. Yes. Next question. The fourth term of x plus y whole power 5 is. So in this expansion, x plus y whole power 5, 6 terms will be there. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6 terms will be there. So in these 6 terms, we need to find a fourth term. So to find the fourth term, use the formula TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x power n minus r into a power r. Here n is 5. So r equal to fourth term asked now. To find fourth term, so substitute r is equal to 3. Then you will get here T3 plus 1 equal to NCR 5C3 x power n minus r means 5 minus 3 into a power r, that is y power cube. So this is equal to 5C3 x square into y cube. So we need to find the value of 5C3. So how will you find 5C3? By using formula NCR equal to factorial n by factorial n minus r into factorial r. So here n is 5 and r is 3. So 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So both will be cancelled. So 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, 2 only. So 5 for the 20 by 2 into 1, 2. This is 10. So we know that 5C3 value is 10. So answer is 10 into x square y cube is the fourth term of expansion x plus y whole power 5. Okay, right. 11th question. The middle term in the expansion of x plus 2 whole square. So this is exactly in the form of a plus b whole square only. we need not to apply binomial expansions. Simply you can find a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It means 2 square. So this is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. What do we find here? Middle term. So middle term is 4x. What is the middle term? 4x. Right. The middle term in the expansion of x plus 1 whole cube. This is also in the form of a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square b. 3a square b. It means 1 only. A b. 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3a. A means x. B square means 1 square. 1 square 1 only. Need not write. Plus b cube. 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 only. So here middle term in the expansions. There are two middle terms. You know that because the power is odd number. If the power is odd number, two middle terms will be there. What are they? Second one and third one. 3x square and 3x are the middle terms. Okay. Next, 13th question. The term independent of x in x plus 1 by x whole square. Independent terms means the term x without having x. Which term doesn't have x? That is called independent term. It's nothing but constant. So first of all, expand this. A square plus 2ab plus b square. B square is 1 by x whole square, that is 1 square by x square. So x will be cancelled. So there is only 2. Middle term is 2 only here. There is no x in the middle term. X will be cancelled. Reciprocal. X and its reciprocal. Both will be cancelled. So answer is independent term is 2. 2 is the answer. Right. The coefficient of x square and the expansion. Just here asked a very easy question. X square coefficient asked here. Simply